Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to promote affiliate links on Instagram Reels. So if you don't know how to promote affiliate links on Instagram Reels, then watch this video till the end. In this video I'm gonna show you exactly how you can promote affiliate links on Instagram Reels, right? But before telling you this, I just want to say that if you are a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook, that is Affiliate Commission Secrets. Down below there is a link, go and check out. Right now, without any delay, let me show you how to promote affiliate links on Instagram Reels. Right now you can see this is my Instagram app. So here I would like to say one thing, that I have created one of the video that I want to upload on my Instagram account, or you can say on my Instagram Reels. So here let me go to my Instagram. Yeah, so this is the video that I want to upload on my Instagram Reels. So I will give you the example, right? So this is one of the video that I want to share on Instagram Reels, and here I will show you that how you can promote your affiliate links on Instagram Reels. So this is the video that I have already created, or you can say that I have already edited, right? So click on the button that says share, and here I'm gonna select Reels. By the way, if you want, you can directly go to your app and there will be option to create Reels from your Instagram app. So that you can do right now here. So what you can do, just go to this section. You can say you can put your text here. So now here, like you can say wanna know how to build or how to make 10K per month working from home. If yes, check out the link here. So here, yes, so that's it. So here you can type your link name that you are promoting, through which you are promoting your affiliate offer. So as in my case, I'm using bit.ly, right? So bit.ly, or you can use your customized domain link, like as in my case it is like www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. So if you have your bit.ly link, you can type your bit.ly link here, right? So that you can do. Now let me change the, yeah, any other thing. Yeah, that looks nice. Then done, right? And we can make it short. That's it. Now everything is okay. So wanna know how to make 10K per month working from home? If yes, check out the link here, www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com. So now this is your affiliate link, and then hit next, and now you have one more place to add your affiliate link. So this is your caption area. So now here you can say wanna know how to make 10K per month working from home. If yes, check out the link here. You can say something like www.digitalaffiliatebusiness.com, or you can click the link in my bio. You can put any emojis. Yeah, that's it, right? So then finally simply hit the button that says share, right? So that you can do. And yes, you can put your bit.ly link here too, right? So that's how you put your affiliate link on your Instagram reels, right? Then hit the button that says share. Or let me give you another tip here. Before uploading your reels to your Instagram account, you have option like you can select add topic. So it's a specific categories that you can select from here. So what Instagram will do, that will show your reels only to this category type people. Let me show you. Yeah. So now here, yeah. So my categories like entrepreneurship, small business, career development, right? And then done. And yes, you can select your location. So if you are from USA, Canada, then yeah, you can select your location USA or Canada. Or if you are from India, then select India. So as I am from India, then India. Then finally hit the button that says share. So I'm not gonna share it right now. So I will upload another reel with proper thing, right? So now you have known to that how to promote your affiliate links on Instagram reels. And yeah, one more thing that you can do, like when you are uploading your reels, let me show you my reels. So you can see this is my reel, right? So you can point out your finger towards, like let me show you. You will see that. Just wait. You can say something like, now you can see that comment start to get training link, so you can learn how to make 5 figures per month doing affiliate marketing. So this is, you can say, another way to promote your affiliate links on Instagram reels, right? So simply, rather saying that this is my link or go to my bio, you can simply say comment start to get training link, so you can learn how to make 5 figures per month doing affiliate marketing. So that way what will happen, if someone comment on your reels, you will get engagement on your reels, and that will help to get more exposure to your Instagram reels. So this is another way to promote your affiliate link. So whosoever comment on your reels, you can send your affiliate links in their messenger, or you can say in their inbox, right? So there you can talk to the person, and if you think that he or she is a right person for your affiliate offer, then you can promote your affiliate link, or you can give them your affiliate link, right? So that's another way to promote your affiliate links using Instagram reels, right? So that's it for today. And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to help you. I will try my level best to support you, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then go and subscribe to my channel. Down below there is a bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? So thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.